Hello everyone. Today we will learn a skill that is very important in reading books, watching TV or YouTube or whatever. This skill is fact and opinion, how to distinguish between a fact and opinion when you face them. Alright, let's start with the example. So a fact. This is a good example of fact. Let's look at the picture. He's blowing the tuba, playing the music, and she's watching. All right. Wow, you blew the tuba for 45 seconds straight. So we call it a fact. Why? Number one, she's describing what he's doing. Two, she's observing the watch. So the fact here is he was blowing the tuba for 45 seconds straight, non-stop. This is a fact because she was looking at the watch while he was doing it. Okay, it's based on observation. So we call it fact. We can prove it to be true. While opinion is the opposite. But I think it sounds horrible. It's her opinion that the music he played is horrible, is very bad. As opposed to fact, opinion can be false, and we cannot even prove it to be false or true because we may have different opinions. For example, if for her this music is horrible, bad, for me maybe it's very good. So I would say, oh no, I don't agree with you. I think it's really good. So here we know that it is opinion by the word I think. I believe words like those help us know it is just an opinion. It means we should not just trust it and believe in it. It belongs to that person. Alright? So a fact is something that can be proved true or false. We can prove it here. It is true that he blew the tuba for 45 seconds straight because she was looking at the watch and she counted that, she recorded it. Alright? We can prove a fact with so many tools like making research, reading, asking an expert, scientist. They can prove something to be true or false. Whereas opinion, we cannot prove it. It's just an opinion, something you judge, something you think, you believe in it. All right. Let's go to a more practical example on your notebook. Let's see which page is this. This is page 189. It's comprehension. Okay, fact and opinion. A statement of fact can be proved. This is the key word. We can prove it, true or false. How? One of the tools is doing research. When we do research, we can prove it. All right? The second bulletin, a statement of opinion cannot be proved true or false. It cannot be proved. Here, can be proved. Here, cannot be proved. True or false. It is a belief or a judgment, something just you judge it or you believe in it. It often contains a word of judgment such as best, should, beautiful, etc. It may begin with words in my opinion, I believe, or I think, etc. So those are the differences between opinion and facts. Directions. Read the following passage. This is what we call a passage, this one. Then complete the table. This is the table that we have complete. We have from 1, 2, 3, 4. Read each statement and answer the questions at the top of each column. So we have to read the statements. We have 1 and 2, and we have to complete this table here. I'm gonna leave this one for you to read it at home to improve your reading for fluency. I'm gonna go directly to the exercise. A statement, the first one, seeing eye dogs guide their blind owners. So, does it state a fact or an opinion? So, is this one a fact? Okay, give me the pen. Is it a fact or is it an opinion? How can I know? I have to go back and read more. Even though it is clear, but just let's read more. So, let's start from here, for example. Pets also help people in many ways. For instance, for example, pets can cheer up people who are sick or living alone. Barking dogs protect people and their homes. In addition, here is the sentence, seeing eye dogs guide their blind owners. These dogs are trained to stop walking if they sense a dangerous situation and to avoid low branches and other obstacles. Alright, so seeing eye dog guide their blind owners. So this one, it is a fact. How did I know it? Number one, there is no clue for best, should, beautiful. It doesn't begin in my opinion, I believe. I think there is no clue of this. This is one. So this is, I know it is a fact from those hints, but let's see here. If an opinion, so this is the first one. What are the clues? I didn't choose opinion, so I don't care about the first one. The second one, if a fact, so I wrote a fact, so I have to look here. How could you prove it? How can I prove that this is a fact? Well, I have a hint here. When you go back to the definition, a statement of fact can be proved true or false. How can I prove it? By doing research. So this is the answer. So I'm gonna write research seeing eye dogs. If we do a research, we'll find these facts and other facts about seeing eye dogs. Alright, so this is how I can prove it to be a fact. We come to the second statement. Many people believe that their pets are a part of their family. So this one, I'm gonna give you a hint. The word believe, they think, many people believe. So here, to answer number 3, again, does it state a fact or an opinion? Is this one, this statement, is it a fact or an opinion? Read it again, go read it from the context from the passage above, then go back and write, is it opinion or fact? Then number 4, if it is an opinion, what are the words that help you know it? Which word here help you know that it is an opinion? If it is a fact, how can you prove it? Alright, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I wish you a happy day, enjoy your time, and bye.